Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand two very important commands, right? One is VI command. The second one is a cat command. Okay, CAT. All right. So we basically call it as a VM editor. Okay. So how do you use these two commands in real time whenever you are working on Linux, right? So you will be using these commands very frequently. Okay. Now let's talk about vi command. This is we can call it as a vm editor. All right, so what is the use of this command is basically like if you want to edit any file. Okay, for example, let me just show you this screen here. I'm trying to edit this file here. Okay, so you go into that file and then you have to hit I on your keyboard. All right, at that point of time you will be getting into insert mode. Okay, when you give vi command and give that file name. Okay, hit on enter. After that you need to press the I, okay, in your keyboard. All right, so when you hit when you hit I, you will get into insert mode. This is where you can edit this file. Okay, whatever the changes that you wanted to do, you can do it here. Okay, so you can edit that, and after that, after you do your changes, right, whatever the changes you wanted to do, after you done that, you have to hit on escape so that you come out of that file basically. Okay, after you do that, and then you need to give shift colon wq. See here, why you have to give this is because whatever the changes you have done, right, it needs to be saved. Okay, and you have to come out of that screen. That is why we use shift colon wq. Okay, for the changes you have done, you need to save that and come out of that file. Okay, for that we use shift colon wq. Okay, so that is about vi command. Very easy. So first thing what you have to do is you need to give in your terminal, just type vi and give that file name. You get into that file, and then when you get into that file, you have to hit on I in your keyboard, right? So then you will get into insert mode, do the changes, do the edit, whatever changes you wanted to do, and then hit on escape. Okay, then you will come out of that screen, and after that you can give shift colon wq to save and come out of that screen. All right, so that is how you use vi command. Now the next very important command is cat command, cat. Now why do we use this command is, for example, if you wanted to get into any file. Okay, you have any folder called documents, or you have downloads, any folder, you wanted to get into that folder, you want to see what all the files available in that particular folder, you can do cat command. For example, see here. Okay, this file, if I wanted to get into it, I will give cat command basically. Okay, very simple. Give cat and then give that file name, you get into that file basically, and then based on your requirement you can do the changes. Okay, so that is how it is.